In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Search with AI filters. Open Notion and make sure you're already signed in. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, go straight into the workspace you want to search. This part matters because the AI will look through the workspace you currently have open, so it's best to start in the exact area where your content is stored. Next, look to the lower left corner and click the AI chat option. That opens Notion's AI-powered search experience. When the search window appears, click the Ask AI or Search with AI button at the top. This switches you into the conversational search interface, which is what lets you use natural language instead of manually hunting through pages yourself. Now in the AI chat box, type a clear prompt describing exactly what you want. For this example, enter, "Find my packing checklist database," and summarize the items I haven't checked off yet. The key here is specificity. You're not just asking Notion to locate a page, you're also telling it what kind of information you want pulled from that page, which helps the AI give you a more useful result. After that, give it a moment to scan your workspace. Notion AI should return a response that includes a direct link to the packing checklist database, along with a summary of the items that are still incomplete. This saves time because you don't have to open multiple pages and check everything manually. Once the result appears, click the blue page link in the AI response. That will take you directly to the database if found. If the AI returns too many unrelated results, especially chat mentions or other content types, use the filter icon at the top of the AI results. Set the filter to Pages so the results are narrowed down and easier to work with. This is especially helpful in larger workspaces where the same keywords may appear in lots of places. After you do that, you should be able to see the correct database in your current account and jump right into it without extra searching. That's the main workflow for using Notion Search with AI filters in the redesigned search experience. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you try it yourself: the better your prompt, the better your result. If you already know the name of the page, database, or task list you want, include that directly in your request. And if the first answer feels too broad, using the Pages filter is the fastest way to clean up the results without starting over. That's it, and you're ready to start using Notion Search with AI filters more efficiently in your workspace.